Good morning, Badgers. Today is the first day of school. Welcome to the 21-22 school year. Normally during our morning announcements, we'll have students come to the office and read the announcements over the loudspeaker. And we'll have important information as well as the Pledge of Allegiance stated at that time. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and we're going to have some video announcements so we can go over some school-wide expectations for you. During this little tour of our school, I'll be moving around showing you various locations of our school and showing you our PBIS protocols, which stands for Positive Behavior Supports Systems. And this allows us to have procedures and expectations of the various areas of the school building. Each morning you'll hear me say, be safe, be respectful, and be responsible, because that's something as a school-wide expectation that we'll do every single day. But here in all the various locations of our building, we also have guidelines and expectations and agreements that we need to follow. So we're going to start here in the cafeteria, and we'll kind of give you an outline of what is expected when you come to the cafeteria. So in the cafeteria, as you can see, there are badgers on every table. The noise level in the cafeteria needs to be at a 1 at all times. Because of the concrete walls and the concrete and the bricks, the noise can get loud at times. So we need to make sure we're at a voice level of 1. As well as with our COVID protocols, you're only allowed to have 2 people per bench in the cafeteria. Okay? Students will come into the cafeteria through that door down there, walk in down here, and come into the line on either side. You may go around the cafeteria and down the aisle and come to both sides, and that's how you're going to get your food. You'll get your food, and then you'll have a seat at your table. Again, 2 people per bench. Okay? Let's go ahead and take a walk outside to the hallway and talk about our hallway expectations. In the hallway, Badgers, you'll see badgers on the floor. These are direction arrows that guide us in which way to go. Badgers, they're socially distanced apart, so make sure you're walking down the hallway in a social distance manner. And if you're looking at the badger and it's looking back at you, you're going the right direction. One way is to go on the right side of the hallway, and the other side is the left side. Follow those badgers as well. Okay? When we walk down the hallway, we walk at a level 0. There are classes going on, and we need to respect each other in those classrooms. Okay? Let's go ahead and take a tour of our auditorium real quick. Okay, Badgers, this is our auditorium. This is where we'll have many of our school assemblies and other programs. In the afternoons, our car riders will come down to the auditorium and make sure you are sitting in the seats, sitting 1 seat up away from the next person to make sure we have our social distance of 3 feet. Okay? The car riders will come here, sit down quietly at a level 1 voice level so that you can hear when your name is called to exit. Okay? It's very important when we have school assemblies that we come down, down at a level 0 so we can hear our next guidelines. Okay? Let's go ahead and look at our bathroom expectations. When you line up to use the restroom, you'll go in 2 or 3 at a time. You'll use the facilities, socially distance at the water fountain, get done and get out. You're supposed to be at a level 1 in the bathroom and remove quickly, okay? We're not messing around. We're not throwing paper towels. We're not playing with the water or the soap. We need to make sure these expectations are followed at all times. Arrival in the morning, when you come to school, you'll either be coming in as a car rider from the staff lot or from the Circle Drive. Come in at a level 0, walk into the building, walk directly to your classroom, and have a seat in your classroom. If you're if you're getting lunch or breakfast, walk into the cafeteria, get your breakfast, and you can then walk back to your classroom at that time. We were at a level 0 in the morning because we do have several groups coming into the building at that time, and we would need to make sure that we could hear directions. When it's time to go to the playground, you'll be coming down the hall outside of the cafeteria. We'll line you up in the cafeteria in rows by your classroom, and then we will dismiss you to walk out to the cafeteria with the adult that's supervising you. And you'll come out